might just be wondering why, why does she have this stethoscope on her neck? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here in this channel, you're welcome to this family. Please do subscribe and you'll be the first to get my videos in case I upload them. In case you're wondering why I have this stethoscope around my neck, I'm not here to diagnose, I'm not here to treat, and I'm not here to give prescription. Okay, so the reason why I'm making this video today is just to show you a stethoscope case that I bought from Amazon. I ordered it, I saw it, other people using it, and they were very nice, and I just thought, what, let me show it to my viewers as well, just in case if they're interested, they can go and get one for themselves. Because I myself personally, for how many years I've been nursing, I have never had like a special case or like a special place to keep this stethoscope for long. I've been buying the stethoscope like so many so many stethoscopes. I keep changing them because I don't store them in the proper place. I don't know how to keep them properly. Sometimes they get lost, sometimes they get like somebody take them by accident while at work. So then I decided to order a case, and I'm going to be reviewing this case with all of you, and just in case you're interested and you want to go get one for yourself, please do free to go get one. Okay, so just before I start this video, I always do my other videos, that this video is not being sponsored by anyone. This is something that I ordered with my money, and I'm going to be showing you. And then as you can see, this is where I ordered this from, just from Amazon. So this is my unboxing of a stethoscope case. So this is how it comes. So this is my order. I am just going to close my address. Don't worry, you won't see my address on it. So this is how it came. So I am just going to be opening the stethoscope for you. Yeah, just like I said before, if you're looking for a case or a container to store your stethoscope, that will prevent it from being taken away by anybody, or if you want your stethoscope to last you longer, you can use it for so many years even without changing it. Or if you don't want bacteria or other things sitting down on your stethoscope, in case you just like after using your stethoscope, you just place them wherever you want, or you want to put your stethoscope back in your work bag. That's not good, because you're using the stethoscope at the patient bedside. So why would you want to put it back in your backpack or in your bag, or in the same bag that you take to work? So I have been using this stethoscope for so long, and I don't know where to keep it. Like after using it, sometimes I just leave it on the table, and I have been looking for a good case where this stethoscope can actually last longer for me, and I can use it whenever I want. This stethoscope, you have to take good care of them, and they're not cheap either though. They're very expensive. Some of them are expensive, like the Littmann stethoscope that I have here. It's very expensive. At least you spend, if you're in Canada here, you spend close to like $100+ to get the stethoscope, but if you go on Amazon these days, you can even get it cheaper. They have different Littmann stethoscope, like before. So I think I even bought this one less than $100 or so. But in case you're interested, I'm still going to link this down where I got the stethoscope from. It's very good, you guys. So you can get it off from Amazon too, okay? I don't know. I know you would say, oh, this girl, she likes stuff from off Amazon. Who doesn't like stuff from Amazon? Amazon is, you get your stuff quicker and you can order, and so that's what it is. So let me just open this package. This package came in just less than a day, so I haven't even seen how this looked like, but I know I ordered black case for my stethoscope. I decided to oh yeah, look at it. So I just opened this, and this is it. Yeah, so this is the stethoscope case. It's called the Omron. I don't know if you can see that. So Yeah, so it's a black color. I decided to order black color because, you know, we go with pens and all that in a hospital, and they could easily be stained if I, you know, do decide to get a different colors. They were other nice colors. Yeah, like the blue was there, and the pink, light pink was also there too. But I decided to place an order for this. Oh wow, this looks so nice. Yeah, and it's a double case. This is a double case order. And this stethoscope cost me $26.99 Canadian. That's how much I bought this stethoscope. So in case you're interested and you want to buy. So it has a double case. So I wanted to take this double case because I can have my stethoscope on one. I can have my pen or my other stuff on the other one, like tape and all that I use preferably in the hospital. Yeah, like, you know, I can just put them on the table and just go in and take whatever I want, and then when I come, I can put them back. Yeah, this is a nice one. It comes in different colors. See, it has a handle too. So with this handle, you can even just take this and take it to work whenever you're going, yeah, to work. So like I said, this case it's not specifically for stethoscope though, but if you can use it for other stuff, yeah. So I'm just opening the first compartment. Yeah, this is the first compartment. Yeah, this is how it is. So the first compartment has, oh, this is yeah, this is zipper here too. So it has this zipper plastic. Yeah, that's a place you can store your pens, your pen lights, your scissors, and some other stuff too as well. So, and then it has this little case here where you can put some other stuff. So now let's go right into the main reason why I bought this stethoscope. Okay, so I'm just opening up the other compartments. How do they open this? Okay, yay! This is it. This is the compartment for your stethoscope. So I just taking my stethoscope off from my neck, and they said this stethoscope can fit. It's a universal one, so it doesn't really matter what kind of stethoscope you have. So this is my Littmann here. Let's see if what they actually said is real. Okay, yes. So you can put your stethoscope inside. And because if you don't want the stethoscope to move around, that's it's like a Velcro, right? You can put this Velcro together and you can do it. See, look at that. This is so nice. And this is neat, you guys. Yeah. So it's a 2-layer main section with fastening strips to keep your stethoscope in place, preventing it from bouncing around. See, preventing it from bouncing around. And also here it has an elastic loops with slots for pens, for scissors, even for thermometers as well. This is a slot. Yeah. So like I said, you know, it fits most stethoscope, and it has this, you know, like premium material. They said it's a premium material. So I think I like this. So I am taking this to work tonight. So this is it. A stethoscope case for you, ladies and gents. You can go get one for yourself. And even if you want it as storage for other stuff, you can also use it as well. All right. So this is just a short video about this stethoscope case that I bought, and that is very useful for me because I'm a health professional. And if you're a health professional out there, you're looking for something to store your items, you know, like your stethoscope, your pens, your thermometers, and your other work stuff that you use, you can get a case like this. All right, so thank you very much for watching my video. So please do subscribe, and you'll be the first to get my videos when I upload them. Thank you. Bye now.